What you see on your screens is the first point of Mundakai that was hit by these landslides at 1 a.m. in the morning. We've trekked all the way to the end of Mundakai town, where authorities, rescue officials have been able to reach just a few days ago. So operations here began just 2 days ago. So the hunt continues for any bodies. Now this entire stretch, you can see the amount of debris that's left behind where I'm standing, and the entire area around here, they were actually homes, including homestays. So this was a very popular tourist destination, all completely wiped out. And you can see that there's absolutely no trace of any house anywhere around me, which is why officials fear right now that the bodies could have been washed far, far away. There is a smell in the air of decaying bodies, which is why officials continue to dig through this entire area, looking for any remnants of mortal remains. We've now trekked right down to Churalmara, and it's from here essentially that you get access to Mundakai. This area was completely cut off, and that was the biggest challenge because the river had in fact occupied all of the space. The river wasn't spayed very clearly, and that's what made it all the more difficult for officials to reach over to the other side. Now, so many days on since the landslides have taken place, it's because of the army's deployment that now Mundakai has become accessible. This entire area now, there's work afoot to ensure that the debris is cleared and also to find all of the bodies that are currently lying in these areas. It's been pushed from the beginning, from where I was in Mundakai to all the way here in Churalmara and beyond as well. Till much beyond, almost 10-15 kilometers away is where bodies and body parts are being found, which is why this rescue operation is going to continue for days on end. It's going to take a lot more time. And in Wayanad, of course, all resources are put up right here. It's at this spot that you have every single setup being made. And from here, that all the equipment, the vehicles make their way. This bridge has been the game changer. The Bailey Bridge, constructed by the army in record time, has ensured that officials are able to make their way right now to Mundakai and beyond. And it's this accessibility that's been a game changer in relief operations, which we track very closely here on India Today. With video journalist Sachin Chandok, this is Akshita Nandagopal reporting from landslide hit Wayanad for India Today.